The last question was left from exercise 10.2. By using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the points are collinear, means they lie on the same line. So by using the concept of line means if there is a line, so all these 3 points are lying on this line, A, B, and C. This we have to show. So by using the concept, what we will do, we will find the equation of a line passing through the 2 points, first and second, or any 2 points. Okay. After getting the equation, we will put the third point. Put the third point. If that will satisfy, that means this also lie on the same line. So first we will find the equation of a line. Suppose this is our A point, this is B point, and this is C point. So equation of a line through A and B, passing through A and B. A 30 and B -2 -2. So equation is what? Y minus y1, y2 minus y1, equation of a line passing through y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1, y minus y1, x1, y1, 0, y2 minus 2, y1 minus 0, x2 minus 2, x1 minus 3, x minus minus plus 3. So we get y is equal to -2 upon -5 into x plus 3, minus minus cancel, 5 will multiply left side, so 5y is equal to 2x plus 2 3s are 6. This is the required equation. Now put x is equal to the point C is what? 8 and 2. That is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2 in this equation number 1. If it will satisfy, then the points lies on the same line, they are collinear. If it will not satisfy, they are not collinear. So we will put y is equal to 2, left side 5 into 2, right side is 2 into 8 plus 6. So this is, just let me see one thing. Yes, x2 minus x1, this will become plus 3. So this will become 1. So our this value will be 1 only. 1 minute. X2, what is x2? -2. -3, correct. -5. This is correct. Then y2, what is y2? -2 -0 is correct. X minus x1. Yes, yes, yes. Here this is minus x minus x minus 3. So this will become 2x minus 2x minus 6, correct. So this will become 2x minus 6. So 5 to the 10, 8 to the 16 minus 6. So 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, both the sides are equal. This point satisfies the line, satisfies the equation of a line, which shows that A, B, C are collinear. Now, we'll study general equation of a line. So equation, any equation of the form where ABC are not 0, where obviously they are not 0, otherwise it will not be a linear equation, where A, B, C are constant and are not equal to 0 is called general equation of a line. It's called general linear equation or general equation of a line. It is called general linear equation or general equation of a line. Now this line here ABC are not 0, but in the previous one C can be 0. But when we are talking about the general equation of a line, we are taking C, means the equations in which C is also given. Now different forms that we have already studied, now this will be converted into the different forms. The same question can be done by converting into the previous forms. First form, what was the first form? Slope intercept form. What was slope intercept form? Can anybody raise the hand to tell me what is the slope intercept form? Yes. Mudassir, I'll unmute you. Yes. Mudassir.
Yes, sir. Sir, its equation is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and y is the
Mudassir.
intercepting line.
Yes, yes, I'm listening. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ah, yes. Tell me again.
Sir, slope intercept equation is y is equal to mx plus b, where m
C.
is
Y
the
is equal to
slope of
mx plus c.
mx plus
Y is
c,
equal to mx
mx
plus c.
c. Yes, and
Okay.
m is the slope of the line, y is the
Yes.
intercepting line.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we can convert this general equation of a line in terms of slope intercept form when b is not equal to 0. B is equal to 0, then y will become 0, then it will become equation of x only, that is parallel to y axis. So that's why this can be converted into this format, means y should be one side, all other we will take on right hand side. So we can write this by is equal to minus ax minus c and divide y is equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. Okay, so this is the format of y is equal to mx. If you will compare it, if you will compare this with the slope intercept form, so what will be the slope? Minus a upon b. Slope will be m is equal to minus a upon b. So the slope intercept form of the line whose slope is m is equal to minus a upon b, and the y-intercept c is called y-intercept small c. So here y-intercept will be equal to minus capital C upon b. If b is equal to 0, then if b will become 0, b you can put 0, then ax is equal to c, x is equal to minus c upon a. it will become x is equal to minus c upon a, which is a line, vertical line, and parallel to, which is parallel to y axis. And when it is parallel to y axis, it will cut the x intercept, not y intercept. So its x intercept will be equal to minus c upon capital A, minus capital C upon minus capital A. So in this way, we can reduce any general equation into slope intercept form. Second, we can reduce it into intercept form. Intercept form. What is intercept form? Intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b when the line cut off the intercept at x and y both axes. It is called intercept form. A is the x-intercept, b is called the y-intercept. So if you want to write this equation in this format, this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you can do it by taking c on right hand side minus c, but you need right hand side 1. So divide both sides by minus c. So we can write ax upon minus c plus by upon minus c is equal to 1, or it can be written in this format, x upon a. So you can write x upon minus c upon a plus y upon minus c upon b is equal to 1. So therefore, here we got that x-intercept is x-intercept. If we can find out directly from the given equation, x-intercept will be equal to minus capital C upon A, and y-intercept will be equal to, directly we can use these formulas also, minus C upon B. Then we have the last one, that is normal form. Normal form. Normal form of the equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is the perpendicular from the origin to that line and alpha is the angle which the normal forms in the positive direction of x-axis. So this equation, if you will compare with ax plus by is equal to minus c. So both equations are representing in the normal form, suppose. It is a normal form. This is also representing the normal form. Then both the equations are same. We can write their ratio will be same. A upon cos alpha is equal to b upon sin alpha is equal to minus c upon p. If you find the value of cos alpha, equating first one to the last one, we get cos alpha is equal to AP capital A small p by minus c, and Similarly, sine alpha will be equal to capital B small p phi minus c. And you know that sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So by that condition, if you will apply this sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, sine square alpha is b p upon minus capital C square plus a p upon minus capital C square is equal to 1. So this can be equated to 1. So we can write now b square p square by c square plus a square p square by capital C square is equal to 1. So p square you can take common. So from here you will get, if you will take p square common, and LCM will be c square, above term will be written as a square plus b square is equal to 1. So we get p square is equal to, from here p square or p will be equal to plus minus c upon under root a square plus b square. So by this way we can find the value of p under root, uh, p is equal to plus minus c upon under root a square plus b square. Then cos alpha, similarly cos alpha is equal to what? A upon cos alpha is equal to a by minus c, or you can write cos alpha is equal to plus minus a upon this will become plus minus, or minus plus this minus will absorb with this plus minus c upon p. So you can write here c, and then p is what? C upon under root a square plus b square. Are you understanding? I am putting this value of p, substituting here and here to get the value of cos. So the cos will become plus minus a by under root a square plus b square. This is the formula that we will use in the questions directly. How it came, you can understand by this way. So sine alpha will be plus minus b upon under root a square plus b square. So ultimately we got that if you have to convert ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, to convert this into normal form. Normal form is x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to p. We will find sine and cos and p by use cos alpha is equal to plus minus a upon under root. Find cos alpha by under root a plus minus a upon under root a square plus b square, and sine alpha by using the formula plus minus b upon under root a square plus b square, and p the length of perpendicular from the origin on the line by using the formula plus minus c upon under root a square plus b square. Again, I am telling you this is the condition of the line when the line is having the, suppose this is a line, and this is the perpendicular on the line, its length OP is P, and this angle is alpha. Then its equation will become x cos alpha y sin alpha. So directly we can convert by using this formula. Then two more things are left. Distance of a point from a line. Then we can start the exercise, next exercise. So we can complete that one also. Distance of a point from a line. How to find the distance of a point from a line, or you can directly remember this formula, because no need to, if you want we can derive also the distance of a point. Distance of a point from a line means equation of a line is given, you have to find the distance from this point. Suppose this is a point, its coordinates are given x1 y1, and there is a line this is the straight line. Then we have to find this distance, perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance from P Q on the line AB. And what else is given? The equation of the line is given us. Equation of the line is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. General form of the equation. Then what will be this distance? This distance, perpendicular distance, this we will denote by small d. Okay. So the formula is just you can put the point in this line, whatever line is given here, you will substitute the point, and this is a distance, so you have to take the absolute value ax1 plus by1 plus c. That means you are substituting this point in the given equation, divided by under root coefficient of x1, coefficient of x square, a square plus b square. Understood? Suppose this point is given 3, 4, and this line is given 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So then you have to find the distance. You will put instead of x 3, instead of y 4 plus 7 divided by under root 2 square plus 3 square. So you get the distance. Then how to find the distance between two parallel lines? This is the distance formula. It will be used to find the distance between two parallel lines. So last formula, then exercise we can start next time. Distance between two parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, they will, suppose the lines are given in this form, x-axis, y-axis, huh? And there is a line. Here it is another line is this, suppose this one. These are the two parallel lines, and this is intercepting on y-axis at a distance c1, and this whole distance from here to here, it is c2. So equation of this line, equation of this line is y is equal to, they will make the equal angle with the x-axis, therefore their gradient will be same. So mx plus c1, and the equation of this line will be equal to y is equal to mx plus c2. If they have given in the in this form, if they have given, then the distance between them will be equal to, this is the distance between them, suppose this is the distance between them. So this distance we can find out by using this formula, c1 minus c2, c1 minus c2 divided by under root 1 plus m square. If the equations are given in the general form, then how will you find? Suppose these same equations are given as ax1 plus b, not ax plus by, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 because they have same gradient. So the next equation will be ax plus by plus c2. Only c1 and c2 will be changed. This is capital C. Huh? So then the distance d can be calculated directly by using c2 minus your c1 minus c2, same thing, c1 minus c2 divided by under root a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Okay, so now we can start the questions. I think 1 minute left. At least I'll tell you one question so that you can understand this 10.3 question number. First one, suppose we have to convert into slope intercept form, x plus 7y is equal to 0. Convert into slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. So what we will do, 7y is equal to minus x, and y will be equal to minus 1 by 7 x, plus nothing is there, plus 0. So in c intercept is 0. Their slopes and y intercept. So slope of this line will be equal to minus 1 by 7, and y intercept is 0. Y intercept is equal to 0. So like this we can convert the other equations also. In y is equal to mx plus c, then we can find out the slope and the y intercept. The question is convert this into this format and find the slope and y intercept. So we have converted into this one, y is equal to mx plus c, and then slope of this line is minus 1 by 7 and y intercept is 0. Thank you.